Well, the physical aspect helps me with that. I always feel better after exercising. Online schooling, don't know whether that's good for me or not, but that's been keeping me busy as well. But no, just spending quality time with the kids, but also I always feel better after I've exercised. I've exercised all my life. If I don't exercise, I don't feel as good as if I have exercised. So yeah, sometimes it's a struggle, but afterwards it's definitely worth it. I think this is a good opportunity really to get fit, use the time that you have in a day to exercise. I think it's a good chance to do that. But also, I've just touched on it, that I like to exercise, I like to feel good. Sometimes you don't feel like it, and there's nothing wrong with just sitting at home and, having a day where you don't do anything. There's nothing wrong with that. So it's that balance. And also, I think at the moment, it's a good time to, whatever sport you like, there's plenty of sport on TV, replaying great occasions. So if you can get a chance to see things that happened a few years ago, then just catch up on your history of the sport that you like, see what happened 5, 10, 15 years ago. Become a lot more domesticated than I have been in the past. Learned probably every way there is to cook an egg and perfected it. That's the problem with me. Once I do something, I've got to perfect it. So I've got my boiled egg perfect, omelette perfect, scrambled egg good, fried egg still needs a little bit of work. Not too sure. I mean, it would be one of my friends, obviously. Probably Nicky Butt. He likes to exercise. He's a good chef. He's a decent cook, Nick. And we've got similar taste in TV programs that we watch. So there'd be no arguments over the remote control. So it'd be Nicky for them reasons. Probably Sav. Sav would be a bit of a nightmare, Robbie Savage. He doesn't stop. Doesn't stop talking. So, yeah, probably Sav for them reasons. He always thinks he's right, which would be a problem with us two in the house. I'll go with Sav.